Are you a beginner mountaineer looking for a great peak to practice winter alpine climbing? Mt Philistine is the answer.
Today we're spilling the beans on the coolest beginner's alpine route in Athos Pass. You don't want to miss this, so grab your gear and let's go! Goodbye, Philistine. We are going to miss you.
It's early morning, about before 7 a.m. I know it's already late, but it's the shortest day of the year. I don't know how far we would be able to get. We'll keep you posted. But this is only for experienced trampers and properly equipped. I think we should turn around. Shall we? Are you properly equipped?
I'm not sure.
No, you're not. Yeah, you're not properly equipped, sorry. You need to turn around.
What am I missing?
Common sense.
Last winter, Mt Philistine became our plan B when we realized we may not reach Mt Rollistone's high peak on time.
Turn right after crossing the footbridge, and now we will start climbing up the slope.
It's gonna be a fun day.
The most exciting part is at Warnock's bluffs. Cross the Otira footbridge, ascend a snow slope to the shoulder of the bluff spur, and then find an easy gully to climb.
Oh brother, what are you doing here? What do you think of sleeping possums, Angelica? We thought that he's dead, but he's not. He's just sleeping. Moves his ears. Alright, we'll leave you in peace. It's a high peak of Rollistone. We are climbing up this quite steep slope.
As it was midwinter, with many snow days in June, we closely tracked the avalanche risk forecast for that region.
Snow is very good. Today is a green level of avalanche risk. Angelica is making her way to Mt Philistine.
Says that we should climb up that gully.
While the easiest route up the mountain doesn't usually require any rope work, we were determined to make the most of our day and decided to challenge ourselves with the Diagonal Gully route to practice our pitching skills.
As we progressed, the steepness level gradually increased to a challenging 60 to 70 degree slope, which meant we had to tackle 2.5 pitches.
At the end of the gully, last pitch. Before we go on to the plateau, Angelica is picking up the anchor down there, going to start climbing soon. Views are stunning. So here's Angelica, made it.
Once we made it past Warnock's bluffs to the plateau, the rest was a breeze. Just a straightforward walk along the nice slopes leading to the top of Mt Philistine.
It's just another 400 meters and vertical.
This route isn't super popular, so you won't encounter any traffic jams. If you want to turn this into a cardio training session, simply increase your speed and effort. A really cool resource to study before each adventure is avalanche.net.nz. We were shocked to learn that 15% of avalanche incidents occur during low avalanche danger. Such a sobering reminder that low danger doesn't mean no avalanche danger at all.
From Warnock's Bluffs, it took us 2.5 hours to reach the top. I guess we should train more to improve our overall performance.
Valley, you're standing on top of Mt Philistine! Yoo-hoo! Look! The view is awesome! That's Mount Philistine.
It was worth every single step. It's quite windy here though.
That's our usual ritual. We're turning around on top of each mountain, right?
Mount Philistine from Mt Philistine. Awesome. Looks so good that I want to stay here.
Those moments of enjoying the breathtaking views from the summit are so precious. Sadly, they don't last long, and the need to safely descend kicked in, rushing us through the journey back. If you want to test your spirit and clear your mind, head to the mountains, climb a peak, and conquer your monsters within you.